Hello bitches, hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be reacting to the mid-season finale of Legacies, Season 1, Episode 7. I've literally been watching this show for like just over a week. Honestly, it's been over a week since I've started the show, and I don't know what my life was before this show. Like, as you know, I've always been a fan of Vampire Diaries and the originals, and like, now that I've watched Legacies, it's so different, but at the same time, it's like similar, and like, it's just, oh my god, this show is everything. And like, okay, so if you would like to see me continue these reactions in the new year when the season returns, please let me know in the comments below. Let's be honest, I probably am gonna continue, so comment yes. Anyways, in the last episode, I fucking died, and I went through so many emotions, and it was ridiculous, and it was great. I screamed, I cried, like, multiple times. Posey kissed, it was everything. Alaric, Joe, Lizzie and Josie had the family scene and had to say goodbye to their biological mom, which was really, really fucking sad, to be honest. I was gone. So this episode, I have no idea what's gonna happen, but the Necromancer appeared at the end, and he wanted to attack Alaric or some shit, but piss off. Anyways, let's get into this reaction, let's go.
Previously on Legacies.
Who's that? Who's this? Why would they show me this? Stop reminding me that Stefan's dead! I don't want to think about it. Stop reminding me that my child is dead. Like, I don't want to... Oh, don't stop reminding me. Piece of shit.
I'm no stranger to write letters to our lost loved ones.
Oh, Hope.
Dear Cassie, I miss you.
And Raphael.
We sign our names.
Who's this now? Who's being brought back from the dead? Who's that? Cassie. Oh, Cassie! Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's a fake like Joe. Well, not fake, but like... Oh, I can feel this is gonna be emotional for me again. Far out. Oh! My king, my dad.
Really necessary.
Yes.
I told you I need answers. I'm gonna peel your skin off like a grape and shower you with battery acid. Rather grotesque.
As we speak, he's having an emotional reunion with his dead girlfriend. I assume we have you to thank.
Yeah, that's right.
Treated a man of my stature, you should be ashamed. Literally, nobody knows who you are.
That's so true.
Impossible. Hope, I said I will handle it. Just stay away from him.
I don't understand what's happening.
I feel like it's obviously he's brought her back, like Joe. So it's the same situation that she's gonna, you know, go crazy and like kill people without knowing that she is. Maybe. I feel like that's what's happening.
Those memories you have, those are from 2 months ago.
When you
You were in
died.
a car accident, and tonight you were resurrected.
It sounds so crazy when you say it like that.
He's been erased from history like every other monster that comes looking for the knife.
Yeah, that's right, that's
Is there
right.
any way to stop him from bringing back dead people?
I head to the cemetery and
He lost
ring
someone.
that bell in honor of my dead family. So, for the
Honey.
next 24 hours,
Don't go in there, Hope, honey.
Quite lovely, really.
Shut up! Oh, Hope, why would you do that?
Suddenly, you were pulled into the light with a singular, inexplicable mission to retrieve a knife.
Yeah.
It's been the same with all the creatures that came before you.
So it's not him. Obviously we know someone's bringing all the creatures back. And then this Necromancer just happened to bring Joe and Cassie back, I'm assuming.
People tremble at the sound of my name.
No one knows who you are, to quote Alaric. Me when Penelope isn't in an episode. Me when there's no Posey. Oh, shit.
Who's responsible for this pile of front?
I would like to know this information as well.
That's why he had questions. It can't be a coincidence. You're all coming after the same thing.
Exactly.
Communicating in some way. So
Exactly.
who's pulling strings? Like you know you're here to retrieve a knife and return it to a place called Malivore.
Yes.
The empty
Do
oblivion.
you ever just say things once? And more importantly,
Only that the knife will lead me.
So, can they do this? This is a plan. This is my plan. Listen to me, guys. So, if you give the Necromancer the knife, he can lead them all to Malivore. But at the same time, can you really trust the Necromancer with the knife? Like, something could happen. But they have no other leads except to give the knife to the creature, unfortunately. But if they go... I don't know. Yeah, that thing.
I'm assuming you know the symbol.
It means permanent death.
Oh, shit. Okay.
That's not a good idea. I will be here every step of the way. Is there anything I can get you?
Answers.
I'm hungry.
Me
Need
too.
a shower. And then I'd like to get to the bottom of how you murdered me.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Do you remember how you died?
That was just blackness.
But you don't remember who killed you. Theoretically, that memory still exists. Right? What if
Yeah.
there's a way to access
Yes, yes, do that.
Ride the scary ride.
Okay, ill.
For vampire, Andy.
it? Absolutely.
Yeah, she's part vampire, bitch. Because he's had human blood.
Do you know how to do a head dive?
Is that a thing?
It is. It just takes a little, precision.
Yeah, that's what they do. I remember, didn't Damon do that to Catherine when she was dying? Oh, and Catherine did it to Stefan at one point. Like, Catherine was I love her. Anyways, they can do that. They can get inside each other's heads. But he's not strong enough, I don't think.
Caleb's not on our Avengers squad. That was
I wish there was something I could say to help. But having just been through this myself, I'm not sure my head will ever stop.
Yeah, literally. Alaric's been
She
through
thinks
so
that I
much.
killed her.
Likely her along with him.
But then another monster will come.
Yeah, you kill him, you kill her.
And what if it's worse than this one?
Spend a lifetime slaying dragons, then have another kid at the school go through
Yeah,
what you and I have just
exactly.
experienced at
I
the
feel
hands of this
that.
creature.
Yeah, I feel that. I agree.
When someone is taken from us too soon, it can haunt us forever.
Exactly.
Use this time well.
That's what the Saltzmans did. They had closure in that story because Joe never got to meet her kids, and like, in a way, Josie felt a bit of a connection to Joe because like Lizzie's more like Caroline, but Joe's more like Josie. You know what I mean? Like, and it was good for them to have that closure, and like they cried it out, and like it would. I think they're like, okay, like bless.
Thank you, peace.
Holy Mary, Mother of Demons.
Yeah, yes, I.
Oh, Milton, the almighty
Please,
Necromancer.
can we not do all that again?
He's so dramatic, saying.
The Reaper. It's a carnival sideshow hack. No, you dirty your mouth mentioning his name in my presence. Like lifting a window to let the breeze in.
Is it gonna work? I don't think so. Okay, it's working. Never mind.
This restaurant is in New Orleans. I've spent half my childhood here.
Yeah, that's right. That's the bar.
Rousseau, your father was good for my business.
Oh,
Always
don't bring him
killing
up.
people. Well, he's standing right behind you. Kidding.
Don't even do that to me because I will hit you in the face, Necromancer. Oh my god, if they bring Klaus back, I'll actually cry. Anyways.
Spirit is all around you. Plus, he and I did our fresh know how your dad is. Or should I say,
Rude.
where he is.
That's rude.
No.
He did die to save your life.
Yeah, that's right.
Lovely gesture for some. Who's the guest of honor?
Oh, who is it? Who's dead?
Let's take a look.
Oh, it's no one.
There's nothing there.
Okay.
You're not ready for the truth.
No.
The door to my subconscious.
Oh, yeah, sure. What happened?
Over. I'm shaking, my hands are sweaty.
Unbelievable. He ditched me.
Yes, that's right. Well, has he closed off his mind to her now?
It's a little much, don't you think?
I know, right? It's just so extra.
And you said you didn't like Mind Game.
Holy crap! Anyways, that was the end of my part 1 reaction. If you want to check out part 2 of this reaction, click the link in the description box below, and I will see you guys over there. I miss Lizzie and Josie. Where are they? Anyways, I'm stressed. Okay, I'll see you over there for part 2. Bye, guys!